Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we're going to be making you guys a mustard fried lemon pepper pork chop. And this is the ingredients. Right here, all I did is add some mustard on this and some lemon pepper. That's all. Now I will give you a link to make some fried pork chop, for you guys can go look at that, and all them ingredients will be in this bag. I already made one earlier, a couple of them earlier today, and I just want to show you guys this. Okay, this mustard fried lemon pepper pork chop. Let's get into it. Let me put a little bit more mustard on here, just like that. And it's off the chain, I'm telling you. Check it out. Trust me, I'm not gonna lie, I ain't gonna pull your legs, guys. When I be making these recipes, I'm telling you, they be good, they awesome. Okay. So, that's all we're gonna do. If I can get my hands clean. And that's all. Okay, you're just gonna put this in the bag. Just like this. And all that mustard do is marinates the meat. That's all it does. And it gives it tons of flavor. Alright. Bring that back up. And I'm gonna let it sit in this bag for at least 10 minutes, so we can get all the crust on it, all the flour and whatever you want to call it, so we can have a thicker crust. You're gonna need a zester, a lemon, a little sugar, and some butter and some lemon pepper. So we gotta make a sauce for this. And the reason why I got sugar, because this lemon pepper right here got salt in it. Don't be fooled. First thing it says on there is salt and pepper. So you gotta be mindful when you working with that lemon pepper. So we don't want it too salty. You know, pork already got salt in it. Okay, turn this over. Just like so. Put that in the bag. And I'm gonna fry this up, guys, till it's like nice golden brown. All right, one more to go. Got to be experimenting. You don't never know what tastes good or not if we don't experiment. All right. I'm gonna leave that in there, and I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna cook this for about 10 minutes in my deep fryer. See you guys in a minute. Show you what we'll be doing next. Okay guys, I'm back. I got 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're just gonna go ahead and turn this on medium low, because we don't want to burn our butter, right? And while that's going, I'm gonna just zest this lemon. This one kind of beat up a little bit, but he'll make it do what it do. And try not to get down to the all the way like to the white, because it's a lot bitter at that white. Okay. And this is going to be plenty enough sauce for me for them few pork chops. All right. I think that's about good enough. We're just going to take this knife. Just want to get it going. Then even that one is on. Ain't that something? I'm going to cut this bad boy in half. Put it in my squeezer. Squeeze it. That juice in there. Okay. Take it and put it back into this way. Squeeze the rest of that in there. Do the same. Yep. Just like that. Alright, this is starting to melt down. Just like so. This is a teaspoon of sugar. Put that in there. That's going to balance it out. Get the lemon pepper. Put like a, let's go with the, about a teaspoon. Whatever you do, do not bring this to the broiler, okay? You don't want to do that. When you do that, you'll mess that sauce up, I'm telling you. That's why you want to do it slow. You want it to be kind of thick. Now, if you don't have the sugar, you can use honey. I normally use honey. Taste that. Tastes pretty good. But I think I'm going to need some more sugar. So I want mine a bit on the sweet side to balance it out. Taste that. It's got lemon. There's a lot of lemon in it. So I'm going to come with another teaspoon of sugar. Like that. That should be more than enough. And that is pretty much done. Okay. That's how it looks. Now, if you wanted to use the what's the name, to thicken it up a little bit, taste that again. Yeah, that's how I want it, just like that. Yeah, real good. All right, that's done. We're gonna turn that off. I did. I got me some green beans and potatoes with some smoked ham hock in a pot. You guys seen me do that before. If you want me to leave a link, I will. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and get started on these pork chops, and I'll see you guys when they get done in a minute. guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. That's all we're gonna do. Roll that around in there. Flip it over. Take it out. That's all you're doing. Alright, you may lose a little crust, but it'll be okay. It's still gonna taste good. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here it is. Right here. Mud heavy too. Mustard fried, lemon pepper, pork chops. Okay? So if you like this video, please give me please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. And I'm out of here.